everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we'll do the unboxing of the residential project Vihang Luxuria located in Mira Road by Vihang Developers. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project. This is the main road and the neighborhood of our project. Right behind me is the actual land parcel of our project where the construction is in full progress. In this video, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, connectivity, amenities, carpet area, master plan, floor plan, possession, maintenance, parking provision and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Talking about the project overview, this project will be constructed on a land parcel of 3 acres having 2 towers, Tower A and Tower B. Now launching Tower A that will have 3 levels of podium plus 38 residential floors having 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium deck apartments. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located off Mira Bhayandar Road, opposite Reliance Digital and Fashion Factory, Mira Road. From here, Western Express Highway is only 100 meters away, upcoming metro station is only 5 minutes away, Thakur Mall is only 2 kilometers and Mira Road railway station is only 2.7 kilometers from the project. For more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. Talking about the amenities, first the internal amenities include vitrified tiles, Italian marble floors, AC is provided, granite platforms in the kitchen with kitchen cabinets, stainless steel sink, CCTV and many more. And talking about the external amenities, this project has 50 plus luxurious amenities having clubhouse, world-class gym, indoor games, squash court, badminton court, swimming pool, kids play area and many more. Talking about the car parking facilities, this project has podium level of car parking facilities. Coming to the carpet area, 1 BHK has carpet area of 424 and 430 square feet, 2 BHK in the carpet area range of 620 to 683 square feet and 3 BHK of 1120 square feet usable carpet area. Now let's have a look at the floor plan. As you can see, this is the typical floor plan of Tower Luxuria with each floor having 8 flats, 4 lifts and 2 staircases. Now let's have a look at some of the unit plans. This is the unit plan of 1 BHK of 430 square feet. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK of 620 square feet. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK of 683 square feet and this is the unit plan of 3 BHK of 1120 square feet. Talking about the maintenance part, maintenance varies with configuration with 1 BHK maintenance ranging from 3000 to 4000 per month, 2 BHK maintenance ranging from 4500 to 5500 per month and 3 BHK maintenance ranging from 7800 per month. Talking about the possession, RERA possession date for Tower A is December 2027 but target possession date is December 2026. Talking about the pros and cons, you can visit www.housey.com. So everyone, this was the unboxing of the residential project Vihang Luxuria located in Mira Road by Vihang Developers.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.